Pew sheller handy. Excellent for easily and quickly shelling peas. Put the pea pod between the shelling cylinders and turn the handle several times. The shelled peas accumulate in the reservoir of the sheller. Designed to only need a simple wipe down with a damp cloth, and it's clean for the next use. You can easily and quickly attach the sheller to the working surface using the highly effective vacuum suction knob. This ingenious, compact tool is a must in the kitchen as long as the vegetable is in need of stripping its contents out. You can have it done in minutes. Make sure that when you use pea sheller tool, peas should be wet so that it could easily peel off the shell of peas. Starfrit Apple Peeler. Starfrit Apple Peeler has easy-to-clean spring-loaded arm that adapts to various shapes of apple and helps to peel with ease. Starfrit Apple Peeler has blades and spike holder that are made of stainless steel with plastic protector for long-lasting durability. Apple Peeler comes with 2 blades, corer slicer, and easy-to-follow instruction as well as recipe booklet. Ejector to easily remove the peeled apple. Spring-loaded arm adapts to various shapes of apples. Suction grip feet for utmost stability. Red. Made of plastic with stainless steel blade and spike holder. Easy to clean, blades and spike holder are made of stainless steel. Protectors for the blade and spike holder. Suction grip feet. Spring-loaded arm adapts to various shapes and varieties of apples. Hand wash with a wet soapy cloth. Sold as 1 each. Spiralizer 8. This spiralizer is easy to use and adds a lot of fun to our meals. It comes with a few different attachments to create different thicknesses, which I find helpful when using different foods. The kids love having fruits and veggies served in a different shape. We're even able to use the attachments to spiralize food small enough for our 18-month-old to eat. The product is easy to clean and can go in the dishwasher. I have found some of the blades get fruit and veggie skin stuck in them, but cleaning that area with a brush helps remove it. Mandoline. A mandoline consists of 2 parallel working surfaces, one of which can be adjusted in height. A food item is slid along the adjustable surface until it reaches a blade mounted on the fixed surface, slicing it and letting it fall. Other blades perpendicular to the main blade are often mounted so that the slice is cut into strips. The mandoline juliennes in several widths and thicknesses. It also makes slices, waffle cuts and crinkle cuts, and dices firm vegetables and fruits. With a mandoline, slices are uniform in thickness, which is important with foods that are deep-fried or baked, e.g. potato chips, as well as for presentation. Slices can be very thin, and be made very quickly, with significantly less skill and effort than would be required if cutting with a knife or other blade. French fry cutter. Equipped with slip-resistant feet, this potato slicer stays directly on your countertop while cutting large potatoes, cucumbers, onions, and more. Featuring two detachable, stainless steel blades, this French fry slicer is corrosion resistant and creates 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch fries. The built-in handle of this fry maker easily pushes the potato through the blades to streamline your prep time. Plus, the included pushing block adds extra pressure while slicing to ensure an accurate cut. Made from heavy-duty cast iron, this vegetable cutter is shatterproof and scratch-resistant for long-lasting use. With a black finish, this onion slicer matches the existing equipment at your restaurant. Measuring 20.5 inches long by 10.25 inches wide by 10.25 inches tall, this commercial potato cutter is easy to assemble. Muskmelon Slicer. Muskmelon slicer. Prepare watermelons the easy way with this melon slicer. Made from hard plastic with rubber handles to prevent slipping and keep hands away from the sharp stainless steel blades. Slices the melon into 12 equal parts with ease. Specially designed for cutting ball-shaped fruit and vegetable like watermelon, muskmelon into average pieces. 100% brand new and high quality, easy to clean and convenient to place. Safe, health, non-toxic and peculiar smell. Designed for cutting ball-shaped fruit and vegetable like watermelon, muskmelon into average pieces. Suitable for kitchen, restaurant, bar, KTV and so on. Indispensable in daily life, easy grip, non-slip handles, practical and durable, indispensable handy tool for your housewives or professional chefs and restaurateurs. Watermelon Rotating Slicer. How it works is the automatic watermelon cube slicer gets inserted into a flat side of the watermelon, and as you push it forward, a little windmill-like contraption spins around, slicing each individual cube of watermelon. Each watermelon square then gets pushed back into the sleeve of the device until you empty it. Depending on the length of your watermelon and how evenly the cubes get stacked, with each row of slicing you do, the device can hold around 5 to 6 cubes until it should be dumped into your bowl or container. You can then do this over and over again effortlessly until you have the entire watermelon in perfect cubes for consumption. The Auto Cube Slicing Watermelon Cutter could be the easiest and quickest way to get bite-sized morsel of watermelon, and actually looks quite fun to use. It uses child-friendly edges on both the sleeve slicer and the rotating slicer blades, so even kids can use it. Pineapple Corer. The pineapple tool makes quick work of hollowing out the flesh of a pineapple into rings, which can then be cut into chunks using a complementary slicing tool, which is included in the bundle. To use the tool, start by cutting the top off the pineapple. Stand the pineapple on its base, center the blade on top of the pineapple's flesh and turn the handle while bearing down to screw the blade into the pineapple. When you've reached the bottom, simply pull up to extract the pineapple, which the slicer has cut into a ribbon of perfect rings, from its core and husk. Once it's sliced into rings, the pineapple can be stored as cut into chunks. The tool comes with a round plastic slicer that quickly turns the pineapple rings into pineapple chunks. NEWTRY Electric Machine. The blade of the fruit and vegetable slicer machine is sharp enough to complete slicing quickly. The overall blade is heavy-duty and well-made. It's also quite easy to disassemble the blade. Lift up the buckle and the blade can be removed for cleaning. The thickness of the fruit slicer can be adjusted from 0 to 12 mm. Rotate the comb in the center of the manual vegetable slicer to adjust it, which meets your different needs. Convenient to use. The whole chimerical onion slicer is made of stainless steel, strong and durable. The whole body of the fruit slicer cutter can be washed, which is not only convenient for cleaning, but also safe and hygienic. The size of the feed port is 7.5 times 6 and it can hold more food at a time. Whisk Wiper. The Whisk Wiper is a genius little kitchen tool that fits snugly around the wires of your whisk. Simply slide the tool over your whisk and keep it by the handle while you're whisking. Then, when everything is mixed together, slide the Whisk Wiper down over to the wires to remove every last drop of whatever goodness you're cooking up. The Whisk Wiper can also be used as a mini spatula to scrape your mixture from the sides of the bowl without you having to dirty up a separate rubber spatula. When you pick up the wiper, you also get a stainless steel whisk included in your purchase, and the entire kit and caboodle is marked down to just $15 right now on Amazon. Pancake Flipper. The pancake flipper makes perfectly shaped pancakes every time. Just place the special non-stick, silicone insert in your pan, pour batter in the rings, brown, then lift and flip. You'll have a stack of evenly cooked, ready-to-serve flapjacks, no mess, and no spatula needed. Also great for poached eggs, hash browns and more. Before first use and after each use. Wash the pancake flipper in hot, soapy water, rinse and dry completely or place in dishwasher. Never use abrasive soaps or scouring pads. For best results, spray with non-stick cooking spray. Aptar's Tomato Slicer. Aptar Food Protection works with customers to develop solutions specifically tailored to their needs. Those solutions encompass range of absorbent packaging trays, pads, pouches, retail and mini containers, combined with proprietary semi-automatic and automatic slicing equipment to increase in-plant efficiencies. We also can provide lidding film material and technology to seal the trays. Engineers will solve your packaging and manufacturing challenges by providing a total system solution that integrates into your facility. Whether you need a unique packaging system or one of our standard products, Aptar Food Protection applies our unique packaging science along with our equipment and processing expertise to develop advanced systems that help extend freshness and enhance safety for fresh cut produce and seafood.